If you're interested in seeing how I make this creamy and delicious pasta salad, please stay tuned to the video. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So for this recipe, you'll need some carrots, onions, bell pepper, rotini pasta, granulated sugar, salt, pepper, mustard, mayo, sweet relish, and also some paprika and garlic powder. So first we're gonna go ahead and boil our rotini pasta. So to the boiling water, I'm just adding some salt and olive oil. And for this recipe, you guys, I use 3 cups of the rotini pasta. So here I'm going in to stir the pasta to make sure that none is sticking to the bottom of the pot. And my cook time for this rotini pasta was 22 minutes. So follow the cook time on your package. So now that my pasta is finished cooking, I'm just pouring off the water and I'm just gonna cool it down with some cold water. Because I'm doing this for the video, I really didn't want to leave it there to cool down by itself, so I'm just cooling it down with some cold water. So now that my pasta has cooled down significantly, I will be moving on to the next steps, which is to add the vegetables and seasoning. So stay tuned to the video to see how this turns out. So once you've added all your vegetables, just give this a quick stir to make sure everything is mixed in together nicely. So here I'm adding a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And guys, you can increase the amount of mayonnaise you want depending on how creamy you want your pasta salad. But first you want to start off with a 1/4 cup and then work your way up depending on how creamy you want it. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, I'm going in with my black pepper and salt. So next you want to go in and mix everything together in thoroughly. You want to make sure that all your pasta pieces are coated with this nice seasoning. So after mixing everything together, I decided I wanted to have mine a little bit more creamier. So I went on in and added about a 1/4 cup more of mayonnaise to get it to that creamy texture that I'm looking for. And there you have it, guys, a perfect pasta salad recipe This is quick, easy, and simple for anyone to follow along to. So if you have stick and stayed with me till the end, thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.